Not no gang, no slang talk, you know what I mean? If you're like this and you're slouching everywhere you go, left, right and centre, how's people gonna look at you? Eye to eye level, let them know I see you, you see me. Don't get confidence confused with shouting. You don't want to shout like you're a maniac, like you're an idiot. You know what you're doing with your life. You've got things to do, places to be. Your time is precious. I'm telling you, it's been a journey. It's been a long road on a highway. It's been a long journey. But you see, if I can do it, you can do it too.
Baby, I'm calling you. I put my all in you. Was supposed to ball with you. I've been grinding, I've been working for you, baby. For you to tell me you don't wanna do this, that's cool, baby. I've been grinding, I've been working for you, baby. For you to say you haven't second thought, you know what? To you, baby.
Once upon a time, and I heard that I was ugly. Came from my
Bags, bustin' out the belly bag, take a minute, bring them back, party back, you know you know it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up, if it's up, then...
Hey guys, it's Taiana Lewin back here again with another video. You already know how to set a little bit of everything. If you read the title, then you know today is a little bit of a different video. Chit chat, sit down with me and talking about how to have confidence. Yes, you heard that correct. How to have confidence. So I'm just gonna sit here in my little notebook and I'm just gonna be giving you guys, you know, the tips and the tricks and the notes. So make sure you take in, sit down, get your tea, get your pen and paper, and make sure, you know, you're following along, because this ain't for the weak. This ain't for the weak. Anyways guys, I know it's a little bit ghetto, but if you look at my nails, yeah, like they are, you know, I need to redo them. If you don't know already, like I do my own nails. Since the whole lockdown, you know, just thought why not practice on myself, and I actually went out like 2 days ago and my nails are all good now. Don't ask me why. But anyways, don't even look at that. It's confidence, guys. For me to even be on camera with my nails like this. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe so that I can post more bangers like this on for your head tops. Guys, I know it's been long. I know it's been long. I'm really sorry about this. I'm trying to be consistent. I really am. It was one of my New Year's resolution and I'm gonna be better. I swear I'm gonna get better. So don't worry guys, I'm gonna be consistent. I'm sorry, my apologies. Anyways, let's get into the video. I'm gonna be giving you guys the details on how to look confident, speak confident, walk the part. You know what I mean? You want all of that, because one thing just can't do it, you know what I mean? If things go hand in hand, all of that good stuff, I'm gonna be telling you, yeah? I'm telling you all of that good stuff. You want to look confident. There's no point speaking confident, walking confident, having all of that, and you're not looking the part. Now you can do this in a couple simple ways. Number one, makeup. But not every girl wears makeup, so that's debatable. You know, you don't need that. You don't need makeup. But if you're gonna wear makeup, make sure you're doing it good. You want your makeup to look good. Don't wear makeup if you can't wear makeup. Teach yourself. YouTube videos are there, tutorials. I even have a tutorial, I think. Yeah, I do. Please, just, you know, if you're gonna wear makeup, make sure it looks good. Love yourself with makeup and without makeup. You don't need makeup, guys. I'm gonna need a cookie, man. Cause it's gonna be a long video. As I said, get your tea. You're gonna need it. Anyways, as I was saying, make sure you love yourself with and without makeup. I love myself with and without makeup. I can hop onto the camera with no makeup on and I don't feel no type of way. You need to understand that you are naturally beautiful. If you don't wear makeup, you know, there's some natural beauties out there. This is your chance to shine. You know, summer is coming. Make sure you oil your face with that nice, good coconut oil. Make sure your skin, the melanin is popping. You know what I mean? If you wear lashes, put on lashes, lip gloss. Go on, just do it. When people see that you are taking care of yourself, they're like, automatically they think you're confident. You know what I mean? It's all about the look, literally. You want to dress good. You want to make sure you look good. Your clothes not dirty, not doing not mix and match, you know. People have different styles in the way they dress. Find your dressing style, but always make sure your clothes is clean. Make sure you look presentable, you know. You don't want to look dirty because that's not confidence. That's not going to give confidence off. No. Get that out of the way. Period. Make sure you have posture. From a young age, my mum was always telling me to sit up straight. If she ever saw me unching like this, she would actually slap my back and she would make me sit up straight. Make sure your posture is good, because if you're like this and you're slouching everywhere you go, left, right and centre, how's people going to look at you? They're going to think, she's not confident, you know what I mean? Make sure your posture is good. Make sure you're sitting up straight. Like, you need that posture, you know what I mean? You need to look the part. This is all about looking the part, guys. This is all under the section of looking. We went through makeup, dressing good, and now we're at posture. Very simple. I don't really go into too much detail about that one. Just make sure you have good posture, sit up straight. Whenever you're walking, you're out and about, look busy. Look like you have somewhere to go. Someone wants to stop you on the street, be like, oh, you look good. You hold your head up high and you're walking like you have somewhere to go. You're not idling on the street. You're not just standing there like, oh, I don't know what I'm doing in my life. No, you know what you're doing with your life. You've got things to do, places to be. Your time is precious. Someone wants to stop you, let them stop you and talk to you, and then you're back on your way and you're looking like you have somewhere to go. Literally, that's what you do.
A lot of people will be scared here. A lot of people will be scared, and I'll name them.
Me, everyone always asks me, why do I walk so fast? I can't walk slow. I have places to be, do you get me? I've got things to do, like, I've got things to do, goals to reach, you know, achievements to reach, you know what I mean? I got things to do. Life is too short, you know what I mean? Life is too short. In my head, moving, I've got things to do. I'm not just in one place, you know what I mean? Look like you have somewhere to be. Confidence. Period. On to next. You want to speak confident. Now, how do you speak confident, do you ask? I'm going to give you the details. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Eye contact. Eye contact is so key. Eye contact is key. It's the principle. It's the principle of talking and being confident. If someone is talking to you, look them in the eye to eye level. Let them know, I see you, you see me. We're talking and you want to be bold. Eye contact. That is what you need. You can't be looking like this and they're talking to you, their eyes are up here and they're looking at your forehead and you're looking at the floor. That's not confidence. That don't scream confidence. If you're gonna do it, let's get out. Just come off this. Just come off the video right now. Just swipe out.
Scary!
Listen, eye contact is key when you're talking. That's confidence. Next tip. This don't go for everyone, but hand gestures. A lot of people speak with their hands. I'm gonna say, if you can incorporate it. It shows confidence. It shows that you know how to move. It shows that you're wording your words differently. You're using your hands to get out what you want to say. That's confidence. You want to be physical. You want to use those hands. God gave us hands for a reason. Use it to help you get out what you want to say. Like, you see what I'm doing? You see where I'm trying to go here? Okay. Confidence. You want to speak boldly. You want to speak with confidence. And how you can do that? You speak clearly. Make sure you're getting out your words correctly. You know what I mean? Not shouting. Don't get confidence confused with shouting. You don't want to shout like you're a maniac, like you're an idiot. No. Clearly. You want to speak clearly. And that means speaking slowly. Speak slowly. Get out those words, you know? Get out those syllables. Make sure you're saying those words correctly and you're pronouncing it. Not no gang, no slang talk, you know what I mean? No, that's not confidence. It's all about speaking clearly, boldly, not shouting at the top of your lungs. No. And let me tell you a little story. I was never the best at speaking. Growing up, I used to stutter. I used to be nervous to talk, to read. I'm telling you, it's been a journey. It's been a long road on a highway. It's been a long journey. But you see, if I can do it, you can do it too. Some of you are even born with it, so lucky you. But me, I used to stammer. I was so scared to read in front of the class. When the teacher would pick on me, my heart would start pounding. You know how I overcame that? I faced the fear. I put up my hands to read when I didn't want to read. I made sure I spoke even when I didn't even need to speak, just to practice, you know what I mean? And it was all about thinking about what I wanted to say. Don't just speak for speaking's sake. Stammering sometimes happens when you don't think about what it is that you want to say and you just start speaking, and then you're stammering because you're thinking of what it is that you want to say. I overcame that, and I can't tell you the last time I stammer. Sometimes I still do it, but I catch myself off guard, but I remind myself to think before I speak, you know what I mean? And that's confidence. It was confidence for me to even put up my hands and decide to read. But anyways, we got there in the end. You see where I'm going with this, guys? Do you see? You see what I mean? You see where I'm going with this? Okay. Speak boldly and clearly. Period. You want to walk the path. You want to walk in that pathway. You want to look like you're confident when you're walking. You look ahead when you're walking because you know where it is that you're going. You know you have a path, a straight path. You want to have posture when you're walking, you know, like you're on a runway, like you're on a car. You know, this can go for boys as well. All of these tips can go for boys. You want posture when you're walking. That's confidence. You don't want no slouching on the street. No slouching on the street. What are you? Are you a sloth? Okay, exactly. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. You're not no sloth out here. You are a confident person. Okay. When you're stepping, you want to step boldly. You want to step boldly. You want to walk with boldness. That's the key to confidence. Step like you know what you're doing. Step like you know where you're going. You get me? There's not really much I can go into interpreting this any more than I have already. That's confidence.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
So guys, all of those tips, I don't really have any more, but if you want a part 2, let me know. All of those go hand in hand to being confident. You want to look the part. You want to talk the part. And then you want to walk the part. You see what I mean? You see what I'm trying to say here? Look, talk, walk, or look. Yeah, they all go hand in hand. You know what I mean? Right now I'm just waffling just to make the video just a bit longer because I feel like it went too quick. This will increase my watch time. But anyways, I hope you guys were taken in, and I hope you guys got something from this, you know, because a lot of girls will pop up to me and be like, you are so confident. How are you confident? It takes time. It's all a mind thing, literally. And you know what's so funny? I posted the quote, I think it was yesterday, and it was like, confidence gets you anywhere. Even if you're not confident, pretend to be. For a long time, I acted like I was confident until I became confident. Now I'm at the point where maybe I'm not there yet, but I'm very close to where I want to be, and I'm proud of myself. And you guys can do it too. You guys can be confident as well. It's all a mind thing. These tips can go for both boys and girls, unisex. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. I'll be back with another banger for your head tops. Alright, bye guys.